to infinity and read on. Kouli. Kouli. It's time.
Hi, Kouli Kollector here, and today we're going to show you the headphones that I'm wearing.
Is it really hard to hear?
No.
Do you have it really loud?
No.
So these are the Afterglow AG 9 Plus from PDP. We reviewed the other Afterglow controller a couple weeks ago. These headphones have been
I can't not hear.
have been around in the family for the last 3 weeks. Everybody loves them. They definitely come highly recommended. The sound is incredible and adjustable, which is great for little kids if they do want to use them. What we also really liked was the chat and gaming volume. You could put it all the way to gaming or all the way to chat, or just put it in the middle depending on what you're doing. A lot of the time, if you're not playing online, we had it in the gaming mode, which you could watch TV and play games. The removable microphone is also a really good feature from PDP, so you don't have to always have that microphone in the way. So you could plug it in when you're using it, or take it out when you don't need it, and then it is very adjustable to keep it closer to your face. The sound quality is tremendous with the microphone as well. We asked a couple friends just to give us some feedback after doing some online gaming, and they were definitely there was nothing bad to say about it. I think he watched several Disney movies. I played The Walking Dead Season 3 from Telltale Games, and I've been watching Walking Dead over the last couple weeks just to catch up. Amazing sound. There's nothing bad to say about it. This has been the headphone, the number one headphone in the family. Everybody's been asking me to use it. Yeah. Another great thing is the comfort on the ears. It is over the ears on top, and the headpiece here, very comfortable. I actually had a Microsoft licensed headphones. They were the wired headphones, and the quality wasn't that great. They ended up snapping on both ends of the headphones. These ones, we've played with them a lot. They've gone on my head, on his head. We've adjusted them multiple times, and it looks like it's going to last a long time. Values anywhere between $99 to $129.99, and definitely worth it. You're getting great, tremendous sound and comfort, and you don't have to deal with the wire. It's all wireless. And our last set of features to discuss is the Afterglow part. Obviously, it's an Afterglow product. They are customizable just like the controllers. You're seeing it flash right now because the Xbox isn't on. But once you have it on, you can plug it in using the cable that it came with, the USB cable that it came with. I've left it at the green color because obviously Xbox is green and it's our favorite color, right?
Yeah.
So again, thank you very much PDP for sending over another great product that this house loves and will use every day. Definitely highly recommend it to everybody else to try it out. And they have, if this isn't the right one for you, they have multiple Afterglow headphones. There's a whole line of them. So this is the AG 9 Plus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.
Have a good day. Bye. Collector. Kouli. Kollector. Kouli Kollector.